See, I'm telling you what, from here on out, from here until after Christmas, it's going to be crazy going into something. Because everybody's getting ready for Thanksgiving, and everybody's going to be Christmas.
Okay. Oh, Daddy, this is what he wants.
Okay, Ollie, so you either slow down or get over, slow down or get over, slow down or get over, or speed up by now. You missed your opportunity. You kind of cut that guy off. When you see somebody merging like that, you either get over, speed up before they're going to try to get into your lane, or slow down and let them go ahead and get in front of you. But you didn't do any of those. And he was partially in your lane right beside you. Yeah, that's a little bit too close. Don't do that. Come on, baby! You just made the next video.
What?
Did you see him just swing right out in front of me? He came all the way from over there, crossed that lane, crossed the middle lane, just kept on going.
What?
Oh, come on out there, buddy. In your little Kia Sportage. He's going to run the red light too. Come on over, school bus.
News Radio 600
What's that guy doing?
School Town traffic with road work in downtown still coming out of the curve at South 5 off the Pershing.
I think he's broke down. He's in a dangerous spot there.
I would have been a little closer.
That's not where you want to stop.
That's my point. Hence, the failure of his book. And the funny thing is, and he's like, I made the New York Times list. I'm like, all right, the difference between #1 on the New York Times could be the #1 bestseller.
Parked right in the middle of the lane. Good golly.
It's called Inspire, and it's a small device that works inside your body with just a click of a remote.
Okay, buddy, keep on going.
You saw a video of that animal that went up to the car. Did everybody see that? This animal goes up to the car. Two unsuspecting fine people.
That's not a good place to be standing.
Says those who kill law enforcement officer Pronto.com or call 619-207-4336. That's 619-207-4336.
What are you doing, Bigfoot? What are you doing?
4336.
Picture's injured. You're kind of throwing anything at the wall at this point, but I'm like, hey, I hope this works. I hope this works.
Whoa, baby! Whoa, yeah,
yesterday,
make that
so
answer.
we'll
Good
take it.
golly. That guy's definitely not legal. Not wearing a helmet.
I didn't see any registration.
Yeah, he's not got a license plate, no helmet, nothing.
Traffic though stop and go from Texas Street, Qualcomm Way. And up ahead, there's an accident.
Hey, you're doing the wrong way there, bicycle.
Eastbound.
Red light runner! Red light runner! Punch. See, I'm telling you what, from here on out, from here until after Christmas, it's going to be crazy going into something. Because everybody's getting ready for Thanksgiving, and everybody's gonna be Christmas.
Okay. Oh, Daddy, this is what you want.
You just got hit.
Ah!
Say,
Don't
stop,
go.
stop.
Don't go. Don't go.
6ZFD 347.
Huh? Which one?
That was a license plate.
Who hit?
is that him right there, Alex?
No, I just read out the license plate.
Is it hit and run?
Yeah, hit and run.
It's a woman.
Old woman.
I didn't see the car. Go for it. Is she in this lane?
No, it's in the middle
No,
lane.
I just saw her move.
Oh yeah?
I didn't see what car it was.
I just read out.
See, I'm telling you what, from here on out, from here until after Christmas, it's going to be crazy going into some of these places. Because everybody's getting ready for Thanksgiving. Then everybody's going to be Christmas shopping.
Okay. Oh, Daddy, this is what he wants.
You just got hit.
Ah!
Say,
Don't
stop.
Don't go. Don't go.
6ZFD 347.
Huh? Which one?
That was the license plate.
Who hit?
is that him right there, Alex?
No, I just read out the license plate.
Is it hit and run?
Yeah, hit and run.
It's a woman.
It's an old woman.
I didn't see the car. Go for it.
Made by users on their platform. We gotta look at their
Come on, buddy. Pass me in the school zone on a double yellow line. You're in the next video. Good job. Oh, he's gonna do it again. Go for it, baby. Pass him on the curve now. Through the intersection on the double yellow line. Go, baby, go.